Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of incomplete abortion with a large ovarian cyst. The ideal method of making diagnosis of incomplete abortion is to obtain quantitative HCG levels and transvaginal or transabdominal ultrasound. The ultrasound will usually reveal the presence of some products of conception in the uterus. The HCG level will be low and there will not be any fetal heartbeat. You can see the uterus and the gestation sac is seen, but there is no fetal pole, but some clotted blood, debris, and some adhesions are seen in the gestation sac. The pregnancy measures about 8 weeks. But there is no fetal pole seen inside the gestation sac. Now, incomplete abortion is a pregnancy that is associated with vaginal bleeding, dilatation of the cervical canal, and passage of products of conception. Again, you can see the gestation sac and a large right ovarian cyst. Now, the signs of an incomplete miscarriage are heavy bleeding. Get medical help if you are soaking through a pad in an hour. Bleeding that carries on and doesn't settle down. Then there is passing blood clots, increasing tummy pain, which may feel like cramps or contractions, raised temperature, fever, and flu-like symptoms. Again, you can see the ovarian cyst, large ovarian cyst, and the gestation sac having no fetal pole in it, but some macerated POCs, clotted blood, or debris is seen inside the gestational sac. Now you can see the ovarian cyst. The ovarian cyst is quite large. Now there is a complete abortion is when all the products tissue of conception leave the body. You can see the large ovarian cyst, and this cyst measures about 5 centimeter. Now it is exactly about 5 centimeter. This is round to oval and has slightly thick fluid in its interior. Now the measurement of the gestation sac shows the conception of the pregnancy of about 8 weeks, but no fetal pole is seen inside the gestation sac. Now the complete abortion is when all of the products, that is tissue of conception, leave the body. Then there is incomplete abortion, only some of the products of conception leave the body. Then there is inevitable abortion, which is called when symptoms cannot be stopped and a miscarriage will happen. Most happen because of fertilized egg in the uterus, these abortions. And fertilized egg in the uterus doesn't develop normally. Stress, exercise, or sex doesn't cause a miscarriage, while many miscarriages pass on their own. Some do not. These are called incomplete miscarriages because all of the tissue related to pregnancy is not shed from the uterus, as in this case. Often some of the pregnancy tissue remains in the uterus, after a miscarriage if it is not removed by scraping the uterus with curettage. You may bleed for a longer time and develop an infection. When abortion is happening, the cervix dilates wider than normal. When the cervix is more open, the uterus is more prone to infection. This is why doctors recommend waiting for at least 2 weeks after miscarriages to insert anything into the vagina, including tampons, douches, and yes, anything else that may penetrate. So, infection after abortion is common. Symptoms of fever of more than 100.4 Fahrenheit or higher, pain and belly tenderness which usually start within 2 to 3 days of procedure, but you can have a serious infection without fever. Surgical evacuation of the uterus for management of incomplete abortion usually involves vacuum aspiration or sharp metal curettage. Vacuum aspiration, also called suction curettage, menstrual regulation, endometrial aspiration or mini suction, utilizes a vacuum source for the evacuation of the uterus. The traditional treatment for miscarriages has been performed surgery to remove any remaining pregnancy tissues in the uterus. However, it has been suggested that drug based medical treatment or expectant care that there is when there is no treatment may also be effective, safe, and acceptable if the infection is not suspected. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.